part of the thought and idea and the vision behind this shop is the fact that we would vertically integrate and take control of, one, the production of what goes to our assets, and even more importantly, the quality of it too. So therefore, this fabrication shop that you're seeing today.
As far as turnaround times, usually lead times on something when we order a part would be 4 to 6 weeks. We're cutting that down to around a week right now. We're trying to improve on that daily. And with these new machines and all the automation it has, the safety factor is unbelievable. There's light curtains, and there's barriers and lasers and stuff everywhere that there's not a lot of risk of somebody getting hurt because of the automation.
Just as one Herzog, we maintain that partnership between our engineering team, our fabricators, and our welders. So everyone's at the table, everyone has the ideas, we're able to bring that all together. And ultimately, once that's planned out, once it's engineered out, now we have the fabrication resources and the assets to actually make that become what it is.
We strive down here on making everything the best part we can. When somebody orders a part, whether it's internal or external, I want it to be the best part they've ever seen. That's how we get a good name. That's how we take care of our customer. We get them what they want, and we get it to them in a timely manner, and it's right the first time.